So I was traveling for visiting all the villages. Tomorrow I am going to complete it. Its validity functions will be on 26th. So after tomorrow, Chief Minister's conference I am visiting Panchayats there. And I am completing that to a very great extent. Thereafter, some selected areas again I want to go. On 26th, this will be over. First time in India, a governor is visiting all the villages and interacting with all the local body representatives elected by the people. So in a way, that is good for me as well as Goa. And in addition to that, I can say that it is beneficial for a nation also.
पहिलो गव्हर्नर ताणें सगळे गोंयभर दौरो केला, सगळे गोंय काना कोपऱ्यांनी विजीट केल्या, लोकां कडेन इंटरेक्शन केलां आनी बारीक लोकांचें कितें आसा तें समजून घेवपाचो प्रयत्न केला सो मेनी इयर्स. सो आय थिंक गोवन पीपल आर थँकफूल टू द गव्हर्नर फॉर हॅव्हिंग visited all of them. Practically he had covered up each and every village.